Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Foshan JHR. Today we're going to introduce our aluminum track sliding gate to you. Our aluminum track sliding gate is heavy duty aluminum structure. This sliding gate is made from high-strength aluminum profiles, offering an excellent balance between strength and light. Compared with steel gates, aluminum will not rust or deform over time, making it ideal for long-term outdoor use. The structure is designed to remain stable even for large size and wide-span gates. Equipped with a precise aluminum ground check and heavy-duty runners, the gate runs smoothly and quietly. The track system ensures stable, even, and strong load-bearing capacity, reducing vibrations and noise during operation. Even with frequent daily use, the gate maintains reliable and consistent performance. Gate surface is treated with high-quality powder coating, providing strong, resistant against rain, humidity, UV exposure, and coastal environments. It performs well in both hot and cold climates, making it suitable for villas, industrial sites, and commercial properties worldwide. Fully customizable design and the dimensions, gate size, frame thicknesses, infill style, color, and opening direction can all be customized based on project requirements, whether for residential driveways or large industrial entrances. We designed each sliding gate to perfectly match the site condition and architectural style. The aluminum track sliding gate is compatible with sliding gate motors and automation system. It can be equipped with remote control, keypad, infrared sensor, safety device, and smart access option. Manual operations is also available, providing flexibility for different use scenarios. Our gate is easy for installation and maximum maintenance. This is Foshan JHR. If you are interested in our track aluminum sliding gate, please kindly contact us. We will provide our catalog and we can provide your designs and size so we can offer the customized quotation and drawing for your confirmations. Thank you.